Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the polygonal. I'm trying to guess a word, and where the shape of the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So we've got ABC, ADC today, as in the first and fourth letters are the same, and the third and sixth letters are the same. So that should mean it's quite easy, it's very restricted. But the question is, can I think of something that works? So we've got murmur, but that's M-U-R, isn't it? I don't think that looks correct. So if we had a different letter there, would we be able to change that into something useful? Because ER kind of looks like quite a nice ending. I suppose it could be ED as well. It could be ladled. Very unlikely to be correct, but let's go for it and hope to get some information. And we've got the information that the E must be there. Oh, it could be a duplicated E, of course. So actually it could still be there, or in the first and fourth positions. Right, so if it's in these two positions, what does that tell us? Are we going to need another vowel? Possibly not. This could be, I don't know, THE ending or something like that, or SHE, or ST. I mean, there's so many things it could be, but I'm not sure I like the look of them. So it is maybe a possibility that the E is in second and is not repeated. But then what would the ending be? I suppose it could be an OR ending. Almost looks like terror, doesn't it? But we need to duplicate the first letter rather than having another R. So, I'm not quite sure I like the look of this. I suppose it could be an N. Again, that just looks like lemon. Or tendon doesn't quite work either, does it? T and the D sound similar, but clearly they're different letters. So, if we forget that, the other possibility I haven't thought about is if the E is at the start. Feels quite unlikely, but it could be correct. Could have been easels. Can't anymore, of course, because we've ruled out the A and the L, but they were possibilities beforehand. What else can it be? Almost looks like Excels, but it clearly can't quite be. That doesn't quite look likely to be correct. Extent? Does that work? I think it does. It is correct. That came out of nowhere. I'm really glad I considered the E being first and fourth. I don't know why I ignored it for so long. It's just that the E doesn't often come at the front of the word, at least not as often as it comes at the end. But that did only take me 2 guesses, so I'm pretty happy with that. 49 words matched that pattern, so it could have taken me a bit longer. That is the polygonal puzzle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.